Hello everyone. In last video, I installed Ollama and I pulled Gemma 4 models, E2B and E4B models, and I tried very simple use cases. In this video, I will try other use cases with either E2B or E4B models. And also I wanted to try connecting from any IDEs. I'm planning to use VS Code with Continue agent, AI agent. So Continue is an open source AI agent where we can connect to any of the models which are running locally or on cloud. So I'll try with a very simple use case of generating a tic-tac-toe game, just a HTML, plain HTML version without having any servers. And let's see how it goes. So I already started running my Gemma 4 E4B model. So let me show you. Yeah, it's currently running Gemma 4 E4B model. And also let me disconnect from the internet. And I opened VS Code. Now I will be using a open source AI agent plugin called Continue. So here I loaded Gemma 4 E4B as a model. So it's automatically detected, and we can ask to this model through the Continue plugin. Continue is an open source plugin where you can install through the VS Code. The way to install a VS Code is go to the extensions and search for Continue. So this is the plugin I am talking about. So it's an open source AI code agent. You can attach to any of the models. So here I attach to my locally running model, which is Gemma 4 E4B. So let me create a new folder. Go to the code and create new folder. We call it as a tic-tac-toe. So basically we wanted to create tic-tac-toe HTML game by using Gemma 4 E4B model. So open that folder. I'm trusting this folder. Open Continue, and we can provide a prompt here. Create tic-tac-toe game in HTML. Do not create separate files for JS and CSS. Try to embed all the code into HTML file itself. And let's ask, and it is interacting with Gemma 4 E2B, and you can see the response you are getting it from E4B. It is saying I'll create a single HTML file containing structure, styling, and JavaScript for tic-tac-toe game. And also it is saying it use create new file tool for this. Basically, any of the coding agents will interact with model, and also after coming back the response from the model, it works on the tools available within this coding agent. Create new file is one of the tool. We continue a agent is using to create files. Usually based on a settings, it asks to allow this tool to execute the commands. In this case, to allow the create new file tool to create tic-tac-toe HTML file. Let's see whether it is asking or not. If it is not asking, there might be a setting to ask every time while performing an action. Yeah, it is asking the command accept. So the moment I click accept to create a file, it created a file and pasted the content here. After pasting this content, still it is in generation mode. Let's see. And finally it is saying tic-tac-toe file has been successfully created with the embedded HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for playable tic-tac-toe game. You can open this file in any browser to play the game. So I think it created this file. Let's open this file in the integrated browser itself. And I'm not seeing this looks like a tic-tac-toe game. So we can ask a follow-up. Thanks for creating it. Layout is not looking good visually as all the cells of the game are one by one in a column from top to bottom of the page instead of grid. Can you fix it? And it is identifying the code where the mistake is, and it is understanding it should be in a 3 by 3 grid format, indicating that appending elements are not being read, and it is saying I'll edit the file content now. And now you can see it is using edit tool. Earlier it was using create file tool. So all these tools are available under the continue coding agent. So each coding agent or any agent will have an interaction with the tools. The first interaction would be with the model, then the interaction with the tool to perform actions on files and folders. So now it is trying to edit Tic-Tac-Toe HTML file. Let's see if this fixes the visual issue. And it is updated, it is edited the file, and it's still generating, and it is saying it updated the file. Please check again by opening in the browser. Okay, so it applied the things, but it didn't save the file. So let me hit Command S to save, and it printed some warning. I'm ignoring it. So let's open now. No, I don't think it fixed the issue. I think game is working, but it should not be in a stack format. It should be a grid format. Nope, issue did not get fixed. I am still not seeing in grid format, and it is applying some more CSS. Let's see, will this fix the visual issue? And it is editing the HTML. Mine is on 8 GB RAM M1 MacBook Air, so it is taking a little bit extra time to get the responses as well as to apply the things to a files. And on top of it, I'm also screen recording, so it also does utilize some memory. So now it is applied the edit to a existing file. Not sure why I'm constantly getting this warning. It is saying it applied a CSS fix, but let's see. So as usual, it is not saving the things to a file apply. So I'm going to hit Command S to save this file and reopen this file. No luck. I am not sure how to solve this problem. So this is my very initial experience with Gemma 4 E4B model through continue from VS Code. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please do like, share, and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. If you have any improvements or suggestions on my video taking, please provide in the comments as well, which helps me to improve constantly.